A donut figure. Here we've got bad winds 2 days in a row. And the second day, because everything's gotten dry already, somebody has to go and start a fire up on the mountain. Good old California. Here you go. So that wind's blowing so hard I can't even hold the camera straight. See if I can get it to focus back in. Yep, that's just the start of it. If it doesn't calm down in the next day or so, it'll probably get bigger than that. In '03, when it started over there 11 years ago, it got clear up to the top of that mountain range. And back over behind me. Well, there you go, folks. First fire in this area of the season. Hope the rest of you are having a blessed day. Bye-bye.